Hey guys, welcome back to Fancy and Ribbon. Today we're going to be working on these adorable birthday gift bags. I will have the file up on my Etsy store. It'll be linked down in the video description in case you guys are interested. So yeah, you're going to get a PDF file with the mouse outline and the mouse bow tie template. So yeah, let me quickly cut this out and I'll be right back. Okay, so for this project, I'm going to be using some paper bags in the size 5 inches by 8 inches. They normally come in a pack of 12. You could get them on Amazon if you want to use the same ones that I have. Anyways, when it comes to the templates, I have the mouse bow tie. We're going to be using the 1.5-inch wide ribbon. And then when it comes to the mouse outline, I'm trying to make these templates as easy as possible because I understand that not everybody has access to a cutting machine. So I do include like a physical cutout. If you guys want to cut them by hand, I recommend that you use the glitter foam. But I will be attaching the cut file as well if you guys want to use your cutting machine. With that one, I obviously recommend cardstock. Let's start with making our bow tie. Okay, so I'm going to be using this fun polka dotted yellow ribbon. Like I said, it measures 1.5 inches wide and I'm going to cut as many as I need. After you're done doing that, I'm going to quickly pass it through the lighter, so it helps it not fray. And then from there, we're going to start sewing. We're going to fold the ribbon in half, crease it a little bit so it marks the middle. We're going to overlap the ribbon just a little bit. That way when we're passing the needle through, it captures both sides. And then after that, we're going to pull and gather the ribbon, and I'm going to wrap the thread a couple times and then create a knot, and here's our bow. And then we're going to grab a 3/8 inch wide ribbon just to finish the bow nicely and cover the thread in the middle. And then from there, we're going to put it all together and make our bag. So yeah, I'm going to glue the mouse cutout and then add the bow. And yeah, we're pretty much done with this little DIY. We're pretty much done. Like I said, I'll have the file linked down below in the video description, and I will have 6 of these ready to ship out in case you guys are interested. I'll have them 50% off, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.